How to find someone's social media account by phone number. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to find someone's social media account by phone number. Now let's get right into the tutorial. To find someone with their number on Facebook, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device. Here tap on the search bar and further enter the number that you are trying to reach out to. And once you have entered the number, if that particular individual whom this number belongs to is on Facebook and has added their number, then you will be able to find them with the help of their number. Next, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. Here, tap on the search bar and search for contacts and you will see the option for upload contacts. Tap on that and in the interface that you will be led to, go ahead and toggle on the button for connect contacts. When you toggle on this button, contacts will be synced and securely stored in Instagram and will further be connected to only the people you know in Instagram. And lastly, go to your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for spokeo.com. In the search bar, enter your number that you are searching for and you will further see all the details related to that particular account. So this is how you can find someone's social media account by phone number. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.